Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting recovery now. First, confirm you still have access to the email or phone linked to your Instagram account because that's how reset codes arrive. Once you've checked, open the Instagram app or go to Instagram. Calm and tap Login, then Forgot Password. Make sure to enter your username, email, or phone exactly as listed on the account. Small typos block the reset. Doing this quickly prevents session timeouts and speeds the verification process. After requesting a reset, choose whether to receive a link by email, an SMS code, or a message via WhatsApp when available. Pick what you can access now. Once you get the 6-digit code or link, open it promptly because codes expire. Enter the code or follow the link to reach the password set page. Make sure you're resetting the intended account when multiple handles appear. This avoids locking the wrong profile and preserves saved data and settings. Now set a new, strong password. Aim for 12 characters or more, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, because that prevents easy re-entry. Once your new password is accepted, sign in and immediately turn on two-factor authentication for added security. If you didn't receive the reset message, make sure to check spam and blocked folders, try resending after a few minutes, or use Instagram's account help form. Doing this avoids long lockouts and gets you back in safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.